Manufacturing supports our everyday life in schools, offices, and our homes. Look around you. There are numerous products or supplies that were all manufactured in some way.
But manufacturing at the Lampire Biological Laboratories looks a bit different with their biotechnology that specializes in antibody development.
Lampire Biological Laboratories is like what the coal mine is to the steel industry in the life science industry. We supply key reagents to make different types of diagnostic, pharmaceutical, and biotechnology products. We've been supplying these products for over 45 years.
The products that Lampire make do anything from drugs that help humans to assay kits.
We also were involved in producing antibodies for detecting the virus.
Once the CDC released the formulation, we decided to try and make viral transport media. And we were very successful doing that. And we've filled thousands and thousands of vials. And it makes me feel good that we're contributing to help with the pandemic.
Lampire uses a variety of host-derived antibodies to the biotech community. Llamas are utilized for their immune system, and they produce antibodies that are structurally different and offer several benefits over traditional antibodies hosts.
My name is Stephen Allen. I am the farm manager. It is my job to take care of the animals and in turn make sure that their health and well-being provides us the best quality products to our customers.
We have llamas, turkeys, geese, donkeys, sheep, cows, and horses.
Being here on the farm, what we do will affect the end product.
I work in the Quality Assurance Department of Lampire. The goal of quality assurance is to ensure that our customers get what they want every time. There is quality assurance in every company and every industry.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
It's taking a formulation that nobody can make and making it work.
Working with the animals and the people here.
Everything that we use in everyday life is manufactured in some way.
So we have to learn and adapt as technologies change.
Know that you're helping human and animal lives around the world.
If you want to learn more about manufacturing, visit what'ssocool.org.